Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side here, and today I'm showing you how to fix that annoying GTA San Andreas DirectX error on Windows 10 and 11. If you try launching the game, you'll probably get a message saying Grand Theft Auto SA requires at least DirectX version 9.0. Now, if you try running the standard DirectX installer, Windows will just tell you that a newer version is already installed, and the game still won't open. To fix this properly, open your Start menu, search for Turn Windows Features On or Off and click it. Scroll down until you find Legacy Components. Click the plus sign to expand it and check the box for DirectPlay. Click OK, wait a few seconds for Windows to apply the changes, and you're good to go. Now, launch GTA San Andreas again, and it will boot right up with 0 errors. If this video helped you out, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.